How to change password on Netflix. Now before doing so, I would like to explain to you that there are two specific types of changing your Netflix password. Type A is you're currently logged in and change your password, and type B is you're not logged in. So let's go ahead and start with type B first. Say for example, you're not currently logged in to your Netflix account and you forgot your password. All I have to do is to hit on sign in and then just choose on forgot password option. However, if you're currently logged in and wanting to change your password for security purposes, all you gotta do is just to head straight into your account profile or on your account menu, choose your desired account in which you would like to change the password with, and then just go onto the on-screen prompts like receiving a password reset link. It's either through your email address or from your mobile phone. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to change your password on Netflix.